property. Okay? In Islam, you are given the opportunity to own, to own anything. As long as it is being earned, okay, permissibly. Okay? You can own anything, right? You can own a car, you can own everything, but as a trustee, okay, as a trustee, right? You can do sales and purchase, you can rent, you can everything, because your ownership is actually being, you are given the, what we call it, the right to own, right, to own, but the philosophical idea is that anything that you own is actually owned by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Alright, and then you have to be balanced and then participation, right? Justice, this is very simple, adil. Okay. When we talk about justice, okay, when we talk about justice, justice is actually putting the right things, okay, in the right place. So this is a very simple definition of justice, right? Putting the right thing, or in the right place, or something like that, right? So basically, you have to be justice in what we call it, because there are certain cases whereby you cannot just divide it equally, right? You cannot divide equally, saying that, okay, if I say this is a class, so I want to, for example, to give some donation, I'll give all equal, right? It will be okay if you are all the same, you are all similar. But if you, for example, you have 3 children, so you might have been given a little bit more because you have 3 children, right? Right? Okay. Alright? So saying that, just saying that, we need to actually give, we need to be justice based on certain issues and liberties on certain criteria and so on. Right. Now, in Islamic economic system, there are rules of functioning. How do we want to function as an Islamic economic system? Okay, basically there is an element of zakat, element of prohibition of riba, kirat, okay, or punishing, social insurance or takaful, right, debt and loan insurance, right, inheritance system of pyramid, and the role of government of the economy. So these are the rules of functioning which work in the economic system. These must be there in Islamic economy. First is zakat, right? Zakat is obligatory for any Muslim, okay, to pay. There are different types of zakat, for example, zakat fitrah, okay, zakat on business, zakat on your agriculture, zakat on income and so on. Right? So this element of zakat must be in the economy. And in Malaysia, for example, we have that system in place. We have this pusat zakat. We also have the Baitul Mal actually distributing the zakat money. And many of us, for example, also receive other recipient of zakat. For example, as a student, you receive zakat money to actually pay for your tuition fees. Right? And you are categorized under fi sabilillah asna. Right? Okay. And kirat, okay, is another one. When we talk about kirat, is actually punishing. Okay? Because why it is actually promoted in the Islamic economy? Okay, if you look at the history of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, right, and his wife, right? Okay, Prophet and Siti Khadijah, okay. Siti Khadijah was the investor. Okay, she provided capital because she was a very rich woman. While the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the entrepreneur. So they venture into a business partnership. So that is what we call mudarabah. Now, mudarabah is actually paying. Now we were saying that the banks is using mudarabah, musyarakah. It's actually been done during the Prophet time. Okay, mudarabah was